Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft PowerPoint. What I want to do in this session is show you how you can record the screen to create a video from within PowerPoint. So first of all, you need to go into the Insert tab, and then across on the right hand side you've got Insert Video, the audio option, and then Screen Recording. If you click on Screen Recording, it will allow you to capture an area of the screen and then start recording whatever you do. So I'm going to click on that now. And then you get this little bar coming up. Now I'm going to select area and I'm going to do the whole screen and then record. Now the key command to stop this is the Windows key, the Shift key, and then Q. To pause this is the Windows key, Shift, and then R, and then obviously to start again is the same. But this is now just recording whatever you do or whatever you say, and it'll turn it into a video in PowerPoint. So now I'm going to stop. So Windows Shift Q stops, and that drops it back into PowerPoint, as you can see there. And then I've got a video in PowerPoint which is recorded basically what I've said. To save this, you right click on it, save media as whatever you want to call it. I'll call it video capture, leave it in documents. Okay. Now from within PowerPoint you've got the playback options as normal, so you can trim this video. So same as before, you drag this in, trim it, drag that in to trim the end, click OK, and that's where it's going to play from. You've also got fade in options. This is not a very long video, so this is going to be quite difficult to do. So fade in and fade out. You've got it to play in full screen if you want. And if you go into video formats, you can select a poster or a picture to sit on top of this. So picture of me. Dear, that's a bit grim. I don't know why I did that, but you can change that if you didn't like that. But there you go. So if I put this into full screen, it would then, if I select play, automatically it would play. So that faded in slightly because it's only a couple of seconds, but it would fade out. So a longer video, you would be able to fade it in for a longer period of time and then fade it out for a longer period of time, and it would be a bit more dramatic. So the tools that you have in PowerPoint to edit and cut and paste this video are very basic. You would need an extra program if you want to do that properly, and I use a program called Win Movie Maker that allows you to remove the audio track. It allows you to cut elements of a video out that, where there's a pause and you don't want that pause in the video, and then remake that video into a seamless continuous play video. PowerPoint is okay, but very rudimentary tools. Now, in addition to what I've just done there, you can also create a video in PowerPoint. If I go File, you've got options in here to export, and under there you've got create video. So what that will do, it will create another video based on this PowerPoint presentation. So if you had a PowerPoint running on a loop with animations and transitions set or video playing like we have there, it would create a video based on that. So this is the option that I need, create video, and then you've got different options in there, different resolutions, and you create the video. Seconds spent on the slide, you can leave that blank. It will use the timings on the slides, otherwise you can manually set that, and then you create the video, and it's just like any other video in MP4. It's created, and you can use that in any other package. So let me just delete my face because I don't like looking at that. So PowerPoint is a very useful tool for creating short training videos, which is what I do, and I put my videos up on YouTube. There's no excuse for not making great training videos when you use PowerPoint. Most companies have PowerPoint, therefore you've got this feature on the Insert tab there. just create a screen recording of how to do things, instructions for new employees, processes, health and safety videos. Very, very simple. It's far easier to learn things from a video than it is from a text, a manual or text instruction. So anybody that's involved in training, this is a great tool to create little videos, post them on the internet and get people trained up very quickly. Now, another tool I also use is the screen capture tool, this one. What this does, it allows you either to capture a window or in this case just a clipping. So if I click that, it's a bit like the snippet tool in Windows, but I think it's better because it just shows you the window or screen behind, and then you can just capture the part of the screen that you want, and there you go. Now, as I've already said, the tools that you get in PowerPoint are not great in terms of editing. And what I did there with the screen capture, that was the program that I use. So if I just, I've added it up here as well. So I've got it up here, screenshot. So just click that, screen clipping. And this is Windows Movie Maker. You can see here. It's not Windows Movie Maker, it's called Win. And this is how it looks. They look all of them look quite similar, to be honest. But there's a screen capture of that. And then you can do whatever you want with this, and I use this for my training manuals to create training documentation. I also use it for thumbnails, to grab pictures for my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. Lots of uses for that. But that's all I want to talk about in this session, so thank you for your time and I'll see you on the next one.